Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got Christina here with me today, and we are trying the past a year,
Quite a bit.
past a year tasting of the triple berry mead.
But it was so good last time.
It was good, and it's super simple, super easy, great for beginner mead makers. This was bottled March 16th of 2021. And it is over 13%.
So as a reminder, what berries are in the triple berry?
Oh, yes. Blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh,
It smells like port.
it kind of does.
Kind of tastes like port. It's really rich.
That is. It's interesting.
Huh.
Because I basically just fermented the berries. I didn't really do anything to this. This was like super simple. There's no balancing, nothing.
I really want to soak some berries in that and some raisins, and then make a giant plate of waffles with whipped cream and put this all on top. I don't know why that's what my brain's going to, but I want to make like a super awesome fruit compote with this as the syrup and put it on waffles. This is good.
It is good.
It's weird. It has changed a lot. It's a lot less fruity and a lot more tanniny.
Yeah,
Maybe?
it clings. It clings.
It does. It smells like raisins in a good way.
It does.
Like rich, dark red fruit that's definitely condensed. Like it's not that fruity. It's not that herbal. It's not really musky. It's like raisins. That's what I keep going back to. I don't know what else to say.
I don't know how
it's
it
kind of
turned.
like raisins.
How did it turn into raisins? I don't even know how this happened.
Like it doesn't. My brain can't process this being a triple berry because that's not what this tastes like. It's really good. It's just not.
When it has like this tart.
There's
Like
tart.
the acid. The acid sits up there.
I wonder if that's the raspberries, like the tart raspberry sort of feel, because I don't get that like rich smack of a blackberry. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that could be where it's like, because it's a high level of acid that just planes out. But there is tannin from the berry skins, because I don't remember adding anything to that.
Smelling it, if I had to pick something out for just smell alone, I'd say raspberries.
It is way more raspberry on the nose and the palate than anything else.
I like it. I really like it. I almost want to mix it with something. What was the one you did that was really good warm?
Oh, the cranberry sauce mead.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
love that. That mead
this,
is so good.
a little bit of this, like maybe 1/3 this, 2/3 the cranberry sauce would be really nice mixed. I really liked this. I mean, it's not what I was expecting.
No, it's not what I expected
It's
at all.
so different from the last time we tried this.
Yes.
I definitely tried this
Yeah, you did.
last spring.
No, you've had it every step of the way, I think.
I think I have, you're right. I think when you bottled it, I tried it.
Uh-huh.
And then we did a 3-month. And did we do a 6-month? Or we just did a 3-month?
No, I think it's a 3-month, but it was actually older than 3 months.
Okay.
Just like this is
The year taste?
over a year. This is like a year and 4 months.
I really like this. I don't know why.
It's like viscous, kind of, but it is on the drier side. It's not like super sweet. And I think with the berries being fermented instead of just hanging out where you get like the actual fruit, because fermenting always changes the fruit flavor. It's just interesting to see how it's developed over this amount of time.
It's really interesting. Now I want to go back and watch our original tasting of this.
Yeah.
To sort of jog my memory.
Because the difference is
The difference is impressive.
I know it's big.
I like that though. I really like that.
Well, you can take this home.
Yes, please.
Congrats. Here you go. Ding, ding, ding.
I was gonna say, it's pretty obvious I like it more than you do.
Yeah.
Like, that's just sort of a head scratcher though.
Yeah, I don't know how it turned into that.
It's weird. I like it.
It is good. It is good. I will say that. And again, it was so easy to make. So
Well, that was the bag of frozen berries, right?
yeah, it's literally a 3-pound bag of frozen berries from Kroger. That's it.
What kind of honey was in this?
I think just regular, like clover.
Clover honey?
Mm-hmm. Just a plain old honey. But it got complicated, complex.
It did. In a good way, though.
Yeah.
I'm genuinely confused by this thing. It's not what I was expecting because it's not nearly as fruity as it used to be.
Mm-hmm.
Because before it was like, hey, pow, fruit, awesome, jammy flavors with all this other stuff. And now it's just like...
It's deep.
It's like it's been sitting in the back room drinking brandy and smoking a cigar for the last year. I don't know how else to describe this.
It is, yeah, it's got that weird, rich, complex, like vibe.
It's got the vibe of like your weird uncle at Thanksgiving who just sits in the corner with a scotch and a cigar and just sort of is present.
You're just vibing.
He's just vibing.
That is this mead.
That's this mead.
It did age well. It aged well.
It aged well.
Mm-hmm. It's weird.
It's weird.
It's
it
weird,
was
but good.
Surprising.
Mm-hmm.
Not what either of us thought we were going to be tasting.
Try it out if you wanna.
Yeah.
All the video links will be in the description as usual. Yeah, or if you've already like made this mead, because sometimes people make the meads that I make and it gives me feelings. I don't know how to... If you've made this, let me know how it turned out. I'm curious.
And if you've let it go almost 17 months today, actually, this was bottled 17 months ago today. If you've done the same thing as well, please let us know how yours has turned out.
Very curious.
Because I would love to hear.
Yeah, I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.